Hi there, students. Nudge. To nudge as a verb or a nudge as a noun, definitely countable. Okay, so a nudge is like a gentle push. To nudge, to push gently, especially to get somebody's attention or to give them a signal. Um, so my friend nudged me because it was time to go. Okay, so to push or to contact slowly or very lightly. Um, when I was getting out of the garage, I nudged the door of the garage very slightly. Okay, I just touched against it. It made a mark on my car, but it wasn't a significant one. Okay, so to nudge, to push something gently, particularly with your elbow, to attract somebody else's attention. Um, okay, uh, for example, the kids in the class were nudging and winking at each other. Yeah, they were hey, look at that, look at that, look at that. We can also use to nudge, meaning to move slowly, particularly to nudge higher or to nudge lower. So the electricity prices have been nudging higher and higher, or to be close to. So the car was nudging 100 miles an hour when the accident occurred. It was very close to or at 100 miles an hour. Pooh, it's hot in here today. It must be nudging 45 degrees outside. Okay, so to nudge, to push. We can also use it to mean to encourage or persuade someone to do something, but being very gentle rather than forceful. He nudged me towards the conclusion that English was a good language to learn. Um, the teacher is trying to nudge us towards thinking for ourselves. Okay, so to nudge, to push or poke very gently, particularly with the elbow, to jog. Um, I just nudged the vase and it fell over. Yeah, okay, so I just touched it gently by accident. Um, you can also nudge someone metaphorically to give them a reminder. Look, if I get carried away and lose track of time, give me a nudge and tell me that time is running on and I really must do it. So to nudge, to jog, to push, but very gently. Yeah, he nudged me in the side and said, "You need to say thank you." Yeah, I hadn't said it yet. He nudged me into buying a new computer. Okay, so he prompted me, he persuaded me. Yeah. Um, okay, yes. So she gave me a nudge and said quietly into my ear, um, "You need to, you really must do this." Yeah. So it's to draw somebody's attention. Yeah, you just very gently draw somebody's attention, but without making it public knowledge that everyone knows. Um, he was on the point of making a decision, and all he needed was a little nudge to decide finally, some sort of prompt or encouragement. So to nudge somebody or to give somebody a nudge. Okay, now we also actually have quite a good phrase with this: nudge, nudge, wink, wink. This is an idiom. It's normally quite humorous. It's a phrase that you use to say that you're referring euphemistically to something else, okay? Particularly for double entendres or something that you don't want everyone to know that you're referring to it. Okay, so nudge, nudge, wink, wink. Let me try and give you an example. Here, okay. If you're really so that's a really that food looks really interesting and tasty. Nudge, nudge, wink, wink. With a bit of luck, she'll give us some to try. Okay, that's the idea of wink, wink, nudge, nudge, or nudge, nudge, wink, wink. Okay, so to nudge somebody, to give them a gentle push in order to gain attention or to give a signal. And then very often as well, to be nudging something to come close to something. So the temperature is nudging 50 degrees centigrade. The car was nudging 100 miles an hour when the crash occurred. Okay, so nudge. Okay, what about formality? To nudge. This is a neutral verb. 5 in formality. Use it anywhere. I think nudge, nudge, wink, wink. This is probably more informal, and I would give it 4. Notice as well, it's a regular verb. He nudged me. He has nudged me several times. I'm thinking, I'm trying to write, and somebody keeps nudging me. They keep jogging me, and I'll make a mess of what I'm writing. And then, as to origin, well, it's probably comes from from some sort of North Germanic origin. It's probably related to the Norwegian word nugge or nige, to push or to rub or to shove. From the Proto-Germanic word hnojana, to smooth or to join together, which itself from Proto-Indo-European, kne, meaning to scratch or scrape. Okay, so a nudge. If I start to say the wrong thing, please give me a nudge. I think my channel now has is nudging 9,000 videos. The channel is nudging 9,000 videos. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To nudge.